Okay, looks like good. Okay, okay, everyone. Just another quick video I'm gonna do here. I decided this one, and actually another one I have coming up. This one's gonna be the unboxing of Transformers 7. Rise. Yeah, there we go. Sorry. This is gonna be an unboxing of Transformers 7: Rise of the Beasts. This video, and I'm going to show the other Transformers movies I have in the my Blu-ray movie collection. Okay, all right. Let's get started with this first. Saw this already on Paramount Plus, and love very much. And waited for the home video release. The Blu-ray home video release, and got it. Yep, and got it. So, and super happy to have it now in Blu-ray movie collection. I get picked up at Walmart for $25, the usual price. Yeah, not bad. They used to be 20, and the DVD was 15. Now DVDs are 20. Now these are 25. Yeah, I guess the price change has gone up a little bit. Anyway, let's get this open. Very excited. Again, very excited. Just a moment. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here's the slip cover. And there we go. That's off. Okay. Here's the front. Here's the back. I love the front, and I really love the back here. Oh yeah, Autobots and the Maximals. Loving that. Can't believe they're actually really doing that, but yeah, they are now. I loving that. Definitely. I haven't seen the Decepticons and the Predacons yet, but maybe that'll be for the next movie. I guess we'll see. They're doing 7 movies, Transformers 8 and Transformers 9 are confirmed to be in the works. Yeah, next after this, yeah. So I guess we'll see what's going to be next. But yeah, this is what they're going with right now. After this, 8 and 9, movies 2 and 3 of this. So I guess we'll see what they're going to do. Excited, again, for sure. Excited, for sure. Okay. Thing like that. Okay. Usual disc. Okay. A little tight there. Okay, let's see. All right. A little tight there. Okay. Okay. Right there, so it's good. No problems. No problems. Feature film with special features. Okay. There you go. Okay. Alright. That one's good. Okay, and now this video, I'm going to show the other ones in the collection. Movies 1 to 6 that I have. Okay, ooh, yeah. there. Yeah, take a look at that. Yeah, awesomeness right there. Sorry. Okay. Okay, here's the other movies. So I have. So here's let's see. This good. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay. All right, so here's the first movie. And I got the 2-disc special edition Blu-ray. That one. Blu-ray disc. Feature film, disc 1, and special features, disc 2. Okay. Here's the second movie, Revenge of the Fallen. I got the 2-disc special edition Blu-ray for that. Sorry, for this one. Very nice slipcover. Optimus on the slipcover. Megatron on the case itself. Yeah, that was really and this on the back, artwork on the back here. Yeah, this was really great when they released this. Yeah, good, very yeah, good job. Most definitely. Feature film, this one. Special features, disc 2. Okay, here's movie 3, Dark of the Moon. There we go. Very nice big slipcover. 3D-ish, because yeah, Blu-ray 3D was supposed to be the big thing for this. When they released it later on. Yeah, I remember they did just a single release, then they did this big special edition Blu-ray release, which of course I didn't. Yeah, I didn't want to double. Yeah, I decided I wasn't gonna double dip for this one. Yeah, wait till they release this and got this. Yeah, the better release. The better release. Yeah. Yeah, this had a standard Blu-ray, standard DVD, and a 3D Blu-ray. Bumblebee. Feature film. This one. Blu-ray special features, disc 2 and disc 3. The 3D Blu-ray. Yeah, I got rid of the DVD. I don't keep the DVDs. Yeah, I get rid of them. I just want the Blu-ray. So, yeah, I just I get rid of those DVDs. I actually don't want them anymore. Blu-rays now actually prefer them more now, or have them now. Yeah. So, I thought, never know. I find a nice 3D Blu-ray player, 3D TV, maybe in the future. I don't know. Down the line in the future, I don't know. Might watch this. I'll see. If not, I thought I just hold on to it. I guess yeah, you never know. Future, as you might find, maybe. Okay. All right. Okay. Here's movie 4, Age of Extinction. Cover there, Optimus. That's cool. You see that? Nice there. Artwork on the case, front and back. Yeah. Oh yeah, and this is the Blu-ray DVD combo pack, but again, this one Blu-ray, no DVDs. Got rid of them. Feature film. This one Blu-ray. Special features. This two Blu-ray. This one. Oh yeah, right. Movie 3, Dark of the Moon. Movie 4, Age of Extinction. And here's movie 5, The Last Night. Blu-ray, they got the Blu-ray DVD combo pack, but again, no DVD, just Blu-ray. Very nice slipcover. This one, feature film Blu-ray. This two, special features Blu-ray. This one. Okay. And here's movie 6, Bumblebee. Blu-ray DVD combo pack purchase, but again, just Blu-ray, DVD. Yeah, slip cover here. Actually, that was kind of disappointing for this one. And no slip cover. Oh well. How are they doing? Of course. Here's Blu-ray disc, feature film, and special features. Okay, and now this. Just gotta wait now for. Okay, I just gotta wait now for movie 7. For movies 8 and 9. Yep, can't wait. I'll get into the Blu-ray movie collection too. Definitely. Okay. All right. You know what? Give me one quick sec here. Behind. And there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all right, everyone, and I'm gonna end this video here. So bye, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, and again, very happy with all the Transformers in my movie collection, most definitely. Also, so again, can't wait to get movies 8 and 9 when they're ready to come out, available, whatever, etc. So okay, so bye everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.